Hello, I am WAHYU. I am to explain simple draw this electric water heater. The main parts of this system is cold water and thermostat. It's electric element, and then storage tank casing, and then deep tube, another rod, and hot water out. Cool water enter the system from here and flow to pipe electric element here and be a hot water and flow to storage tank. This is a storage tank, and storage tank any another rod to protect the tank from rust, and then any deep tube, and when you open the valve hot water, or when you open the shower heat, hot water flow from storage tank here to hot water out. Here it finally leave the system. I think like this flow or explain electric system. Thank you.